Welcome back. Let's talk about one of the most important pages, availability. This page is where you control when clients can book appointments with you. It's divided into two main sections. At the top, you have the override specific dates calendar. This is for making one-off changes. You can click on any date to see the time slots for that day. From there, you can manually toggle individual slots on or off. For example, if you need to leave early on a specific Friday, you can just disable the afternoon slots without changing your entire weekly schedule. It's made in a way that you can quickly change your availability on the go. Once you click on it, it autosaves, so no extra clicks needed. You can also mark an entire day as unavailable. Below the calendar is the weekly hours and defaults section. This is where you define your standard recurring schedule. For each day of the week, you can enable it and set one or more time ranges when you're available. You also set your default appointment duration and the buffer time you need before and after each booking. You can also set how many days in advance clients can book with you and also set the minimum booking notice.